Today, I'm going to talk about Language Art Grade 2, Video 42 Comprehension Question. What are action verbs and what did they tell us? Well, action verbs are the verb that describe the action that the subject is doing. And what did they tell us? Of course, they tell us the action of the subject. What is he, what is she, what are we, and what are they? Or what am I doing? How do you change a verb to show that one person is doing the action in the present? Well, the verb need to add an s so that the verb can be changed, that can show that one person is doing something or is doing the action in the present. Give an example of the sentence with the verb dives and explain why you use dives instead of dive. So, we will use the verb that end with s. And more than one people, we will use the verb that don't have s. So here we have the verb dives. So there is an s here. That means that it is only talking about one person. So I will give an example of a boy diving. So I will say, Peter dives. And why do I use dives instead of dive? As I said, one people we will use a verb with s, and more than two or up, more people, we will use a verb with no s. So in my sentence, I use dives instead of dive. When do you add s or es to a verb? Can you give an example? Well, I will just add es to a verb that ends with ch, s, sh, x, or z. And the other verb that doesn't have these endings, I will add s to it. Complete this sentence. The cookie blank in the oven. Explain why you chose the verb you did. Well, in this sentence, it says the cookie blank in the oven. So here I can see the cookie in the oven, so that means that the cookie will be baking in the oven. And well, it says here the cookie. There's no s, that means that it's only talking about one cookie. So I will add s to the word bake because it doesn't have the ending that I said. So it will be the cookie bakes in the oven. Well, that's about my video. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.